Optimal performance starts with self-mastery and personal accountability. There are many things you can do to achieve these, but I have found the following very rewarding things that you can do to get the most out of yourself. The first is focus and discipline. Set clear goals and have the discipline to see them through with a clear daily agenda. In addition, manage your time and tasks, use to-do lists, and ensure that each day counts. Thirdly, prioritize. Focus on only the things that are important, and remember, everything cannot be urgent. Fourthly, avoid procrastination. Never leave for tomorrow what you can do today. Push yourself. And number 5, use self-imposed deadlines. Do not wait for your supervisor or your clients to push you. Push yourself.